Hello, how are you? Hi, sir. How can I help you today?
What can you do? I need help in everything, basically.
Do you need a sleeping bag?
I need everything. Anything you could give, I need. Because the weather is very nasty. The weather's unpredictable.
Yes.
It's been like this about 2 weeks.
What makes you smile?
People like you that have concernment because so many don't. Won't stop. They won't say hi. There's nothing. You don't exist. I thank you so much. And you made me smile. Have no food in there, do you?
All right, I'm gonna bring food for you, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Did you eat anything?
And today, not really.
Okay. There's a chicken sandwich for you.
Thank you so much. It's appreciated.
There's a soda for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the beautiful smile. Enjoy
Thank
your
you so
meal.
much. And have a blessed day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.